Hi children, once again I am in front you children. Today we will discuss our English workbook. As you know children, we have three English book. Number 1 English Garden course book. Second one English Garden workbook 2. So today we will study chapter 2 of this book. Yes children, today we will study lesson 2 of this book. Lesson 2 No Smiles Today. Lesson 2 No Smiles Today. First question of this chapter Playing with Words. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks to name these pictures. Children, in this question there are some pictures given and they are in the form of fill up. So we will fill up the spelling of this picture. Number 1. So children, this is the picture of monkey. The spelling of monkey MON. This one is N children. Listen carefully. This is N. MONKEY monkey. Second picture is aeroplanes. This is the picture of aeroplane. So spelling of aeroplane is AEROPLANE aeroplane. Once again children, AEROPLANE aeroplane. And this is the picture of basket. So spelling of basket is BASKET basket. Children, this is the picture of octopus, a sea animal. Okay, it is the picture of octopus, and octopus is a sea animal. OCTOPUS octopus. Fifth one children, this is the picture of umbrella, and spelling of umbrella you know very well, but I also explain you. UMBRELLA umbrella. Children, this is the picture of orange. In this picture it is shows green, but if we know that the orange is always orange, but sometimes it also green. ORANGE orange. Now children, turn our page. Yes children, this is the second page of our chapter lesson 2 of our lesson 2. The exercise B. Exercise B. Match the columns to make meaningful sentences. Children, in this exercise we are seeing two groups, group A and group B, and we will match group A with group B. So children, first of all instruction, we should not draw a line. We should write the alphabet before the answer. Sentence number 1 I. So we will we will match 1 with the C. तो we 1 को किससे मैच करेंगे चिल्ड्रन? C से. So we will write C there and read the sentence in this way. I am going to school. Second one children, Maya and her mother. Maya and her mother is matching with A. So our answer is A, means we will match 2 with second को किससे मैच करेंगे? A से. So we will read like this. Maya and her mother are playing chess. Third one children, the monkeys. The monkeys को मैच करेंगे E से. So we will write E there and we will read like this. The monkeys are climbing the tree. And fourth one he. Children, fourth one को मैचिंग करेंगे B से. Is a good student. So we will write B there and we will read like this. He is a good student. Fifth one children, the dogs. We will match dogs with D. So we will write D there as the answer and we will read the sentence like this. The dogs are barking loudly. So children, our exercise B also complete. Next we come to learning and language. Children, as we know that the name about noun, we know the about noun means noun is the name of a person, of a place, of a thing or animal. In short, we can say that all naming words are noun. So children, in this box there are some nouns and names of mix. Some names are animals, some names are persons, and some names are things. All are mixed up. So we have given 3 columns: person, animal, and thing. And we will separate person name, we will separate animal name, we will separate thing name. So children, first line, tiger. Tiger is the name of animal, so we will write tiger in the column of animal. Table. Table is the name of a thing, so we will write in the column of thing. Mother. Mother is a person, so we will write mother in the column of person. Second line, children. Box. Box is a thing, so we will write in the column of thing. Yes children, giraffe. Giraffe is the name of an animal, so we will write in the column of giraffe. And knife. Knife is the name of a thing, so we will write in the column of thing. Child. Child is a person, so we will write child in the column of person. Aunt. Aunt is also a person, so we will write aunt in the column of person. Bottle. Bottle is the name of a thing, so we will write bottle in the column of thing. Cousin. Children, cousin also person, so we will write cousin in the column of person. Puppy. Puppy is the name, puppy is an animal, so we will write puppy in the column of animal. Teacher. Teacher is also a person, so we will write teacher in the column of person. Fox. Children, fox. Fox is an animal, so we will write fox in the column of animal. Book. Book is a thing, so we will write in the column of thing. Rat. Rat is an animal, so we will write rat in the column of animal. Children, you have watched that we have divided person, animals and thing in its proper group. So all these are names are nouns. Next children, next page of this book is 13. And in this page we will study about proper nouns. Children, you know what is proper nouns? Proper nouns are naming words used to name people, pets or places. Naming words means children, we know boy, girl, they are noun, we know. But if we give a particular name to each boy as Aman, Ram, Gagan, Shailesh, so each boy has its own name, that is the proper name. When we give a special name to someone, it is called a proper noun. For example, my brother's name is brother. Brother is a noun, but मैंने अपने ब्रदर को क्या नाम दिया बेटा? अनिल. तो अनिल इज अ स्पेशल नेम टू गिवन हिज ब्रदर, सो अनिल इज अ proper noun. Our pet cat Fluffy. Cat is a animal, it is a noun, but we give a name Fluffy to cat. हमने cat को क्या नाम दिया है? Fluffy. It is 2 years old. Means Fluffy is a cat and Fluffy is a proper name, proper noun. Because of sometimes we give Pussy cat name, sometimes we give it Rani, sometimes we give it Fluffy. So Fluffy is a special noun, means it is the proper noun. We live in Mumbai. Children, there are so many cities, but we have give a special name to a city is Mumbai. Then Mumbai is a proper noun, it is a special noun also called. So children, in this exercise, read the paragraph and pick out 6 proper nouns, only 6 proper nouns and 6 common nouns. Write the nouns in the correct boxes. Children, इस पैराग्राफ को रीड करना है and after reading the paragraph, we will choose 6 proper nouns and 6 common nouns and we will write in the column like this: common noun and proper noun. So children, I read the paragraph. My cousins children, common noun. Rekha and Girish. Rekha and Girish is given a name to a girl and to a boy. So it is a proper noun, it is a special noun. Live in Chennai. Chennai is the name of a city. So it is the name of a place. So it is a proper noun, it is a special name. In a big house. House is a place. So it is a noun. We will write in the common noun. With a garden. Garden is a place, so we will write garden in the common noun. They have 2 dogs. Dogs also is a common noun, so we will write in the column of common noun. Called Rainbow and Sambo. Means dogs को नाम दिया गया है Rainbow and Sambo. Rainbow and Sambo is a special name because of it is a name given to the dogs, so it is called a proper noun. So we will put in the column of proper noun: Rainbow and Sambo. Last summer when I visited them. Summer is the name of a season, so we will put in a common noun. We went to the beach. Beach is the name of a place, so we will write in the common noun. Every day, my little sister Kirti. Kirti is the name of a girl, so we will write in the proper noun. Is frightened of the sea. She stayed on the shore. Next year, they will spend their holidays with us in Delhi. Children, Delhi is the name of a city, so we will write in the proper noun. Is it clear? So children, we choose 6 common nouns like this: cousins, house, dogs, beach, sister और sea मतलब दोनों ही हैं, garden, and we choose 6 proper nouns like this: Rekha, Girish, Chennai, Delhi, Rainbow, Sambo and Kirti. So children, our exercise we have completed. Now we come to our next and last page of this chapter. Yes children, the next and last chapter of this book is this writing portion. Exercise A, it is the writing portion of this chapter. Write 1 sentences to describe these animals. Means there are some animals given. We will write 1 sentence about these animals. One has been done for you. Penguin. Children, it is the picture of penguin. And 1 sentence has given to us, and we will make a sentence about other animals. Sentence: a penguin is a bird. Full stop. It is black and white. So children, a sentence is formed about penguin. And like this, we also form 1 sentence about these animals. Kangaroo. Kangaroo has a pouch in front. Third one, tiger. A tiger has black and orange stripes. Once again children, tiger. A tiger has black and orange stripes. Peacock. 4th one, peacock. A peacock has beautiful feathers. 5th one, elephant. An elephant has a long trunk. An elephant has a long trunk. Last, giraffe. A giraffe is a tall animal. So children, we have completed our lesson 2 in this workbook. I hope you will understood it very well. Thank you very much.